Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you RIA Money Transfer active promo codes. So here are some of the active and still working promotion codes that you can use on RIA Money Transfer. So one of those is this code Welcome RIA UK. So if you are a new customer or a new user of RIA Money Transfer, you can use this code. As you can see here, you're going to get a 50% off customer fee discount on RIA Money remittances. And this offer or code is open to United Kingdom residents aged 18 years or over. And this offer period begins on January 1, 2025 at 12 a.m. and ends on December 31st of 2025 at 11:59 p.m. So here are some of more promotion codes that you can use, and this is exclusive for qualified customers, and you can use these following codes on the RIA app. So we have here the RIA X2, Back for More, Joy X5, RIA X5X1, Bonu 5, and RIA WeChat. So this 5 codes right here is valid 30 days from the date qualified, and the RIA WeChat code is valid until June 30, 2025. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!